This month has been my most productive all year. So in today's video I'm going to be breaking down an analytical perspective of how my month went and the progress I made in each pursuit I'm aiming to improve on. I'm going to keep it 100% transparent as always, and I think consistent honesty will build me a good platform of people who actually support me rather than guru type followers. Just before we get into today's video, I do have a special offer for you. If you're struggling with productivity, getting work done and finding progress in whatever you're doing in life, then please look at the top link in the description and book a free one-on-one meeting with me where I can discuss the details of the 21 days we'll work together, where I'll turn you into a more productive person. Check it out if you're interested. Firstly, this month has had a priority on content creation. I've been trying to grow my own personal brand and therefore grow my one-on-one coaching also, and I think this has been a really productive and effective month in this. My first month taking content creation seriously. For reference in today's video, I have every single day of this month habit tracked and tracked pretty meticulously, so I know where I'm performing and where needs work. So yeah, in content creation, I posted 50 shorts, 50 TikToks, 15 long format videos. I've gained 8,000 channel views and 2,000 of those came from one video alone, my journal with me video, and I've gained 72 subscribers. Considering this is the first month I've been putting a lot of effort into the content creation, I'm really happy with the outcome. I feel content with the outcome. I feel the amount of effort I put in has turned into a decent outcome, and I think if I hold this consistent level for a while, then eventually I will reach a point where the content creation will garner a lot more views and attention, which will bump up the rest of the numbers in today's video. So yeah, the aim I have for the next month in content creation is to have 500 subscribers and 10,000 channel views. I think this is a realistic goal in my opinion, as in the first month alone I had 72 subscribers gained, which puts me at 372 or 378 after recording this video, and I think 500 is realistic in the next month. I'm definitely going to ramp up the numbers even while going back to college and try and get more videos out onto YouTube. Next aspect of this month has been my business pursuits. Unfortunately, it's not performed well as the content creation has, in my opinion. So excuse, or maybe coping mechanism is that I have been on holiday for 3 weeks of this month. So it's been slightly difficult to garner clients in my local area. I work with one client who was a lovely fella, and fortunately it kind of fell through and he ended up working with a professional company for what he wanted, so he paid me half for the content that I produced for him. Unfortunately, that's just life, isn't it? I mean, the pros and cons, I've gained a lot from working with him. Yeah, so 50% revenue, yeah, slightly disappointing, but okay. The next part I've been aiming is I've had 2 one-to-one meetings booked, and again, slightly disappointing. I've had 2 no-shows now. Nothing malice towards it, nothing personal about it. It's just, again, business and life. So my aim for next month is to have 5 one-to-one clients who I've helped personally, one of them hoping to be a testimonial. So click the top link in the description, then you could be that one client that's going to be in a testimonial video and get a shout out in the future of my channel. Also, I would like to have 2 more clients signed, and I think this will bump up the numbers next month to a more admirable level for me. Lastly, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my experience in observing the markets during August. So naturally, August is a more economically micro season of the market, so there wasn't too much volatility and movement. However, I did manage to take some good trades and some potentially bad trades. I finished the month with a 0.5% overall, a 0.5% increase. This is not really my average trading month. This is not really the average return I'd like to be expecting, but whatever the market gives you, it gives you, and I'm happy I've at least got over break even and not taken a loss this month. Irregardless of whether I did, I'd still feel the same. However, it's obviously a nice feeling to go into the next month on a clean slate. I took a total of 8 trades with 3 wins and 5 losses, and I had an average RR risk to reward ratio of 2.4. My average win was 0.8% and my average loss was 0.3. So overall, a good month, a very good month for trading. I'm really happy with how I've been observing the markets recently. I've been continuing to hold good habits and executing well on the strategy that I know and love. In the coming month, I want to continue holding these good habits and being consistent in the market without forcing anything. I want to look for more hourly equilibrium and 4-hourly equilibrium in the market before I jump in on a trade, or maybe pyramid in depending on the market condition. And for me, I think it's been a productive month. Considering I had a 3-week holiday and even then managed to maintain the content schedule I had of one YouTube video every 3 days, I'm very, very happy with the consistency and the output I've had this month. Unfortunately, the clients that I work with have not really gone to plan. However, I understand that's just an integral part of the business journey, and the next month will probably not be the same. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed today's monthly recap video of August 2024. In the coming months, I will be doing recap videos also, and I'll try and remain consistent on breaking down an analytical view of the month I've had. As well, if you're looking to work with me one-on-one, please again look at the top link in the description, and I'm sure you'll find it valuable as I'll turn you into a more productive person. Thank you for watching today's video.